Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix your domain reputation step by step, and how tools like Warmy, Instantly, and Snowy.io can help you recover faster. If your emails are landing in spam, your open rates are dropping, or your domain reputation is damaged, don't worry. We're going to fix it using a simple 4-step process. Step 1. Fix the technical foundation. Before sending a single email, you must fix the technical setup. Set up SPF, DKIM, and MARC. These 3 DNS records tell inbox providers that your emails are legitimate. You can check your domain health using the free tool from EasyDMarc. Just go to their domain scanner tool and scan your domain. If there are issues, contact your email service provider or ask your hosting provider to help you configure DNS records correctly. Once everything passes, move to the next step. Step 2. Warm up your domain properly. You can use tools like Warmy, Snowy.io, Instantly. What do these tools do? Automatically send emails between real inboxes, generate natural replies, mark emails as important, gradually increase sending volume, improve domain reputation over time. Very important. If your domain is new or damaged, warm it up for at least 4 to 6 weeks before scaling. Don't rush this step. Step 3. Control sending volume and scale smartly. One of the biggest mistakes people make is sending too many emails too fast. Instead of sending 300 emails from one inbox, do this. Send 30 emails from 10 inboxes. This protects your domain reputation. Platforms like Instantly, Snowy.io help you scale safely because they offer inbox rotation, built-in warm-up, smart sending limits, automated follow-ups, deliverability tracking. This keeps your sender score healthy while growing your outreach. Step 4. Clean your email database. Before sending campaigns, verify your email list. Remove invalid emails. You can use built-in verification inside Instantly, Snowy.io, or use a dedicated verification tool like Zero Bounce. This protects your sender score and keeps your reputation strong. Final advice. If your domain reputation is damaged, don't panic. Just follow these steps. 1. Fix the technical foundation. 2. Warm up properly. 3. Scale slowly. 4. Send only verified emails. That's how professionals recover and grow safely. To get started, check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.